Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are showing you this security camera. It's a smart PT camera with dual lens. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. They provide you with the manual. So as you can see, you have Ethernet cable port there, you have a power port there, and this might be another, okay, so you have a button right on that one. So this is it. So as you can see, it rotates all around and up and down. Dual lens. I'm going to show you guys footage of how it looks, so don't worry about that. You guys will get some footage. You can extend the range. If we take a look under here, in here is probably where the SD card is. Yeah, so it's actually really nice. They supply you with the power, plenty of cable to run it to an extension. They also supply you with the screws for mounting. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys here. So there is an app that you're wanting to download. So make sure you download the app. Sign up for blurams free account. Make sure you check out the manual for the app and setting it up. blurams app. We're gonna go ahead and install it, and I'm gonna show you guys the footage. So most people just want to see the footage. Most people, you know, most of all these cameras are about the same. The installation is very simple and easy and set up. You just drill it in, put the bracket in, and go from there. So most people just want to see, you know, is the quality actually good or is it not worth it? Because you don't want to go through your whole time spending, waiting for it to arrive, installing it just to see if the quality is bad. So I like to jump right to the footage to help you guys out so you can see the quality for yourself. So here's the footage.